Watch the full video of this house on buildofy.com.
This city house has been immersed between the very tight urban fabric with a very tiny plot of 40 feet by 45 feet. We planned the house in a certain way that it has to grow vertically. So overall, the general areas of the house with the pastel colors and light colors, whereas the private spaces like the bedroom of the house has been as per the taste, liking and age of the clients.
Take a detailed tour of this house where the architects explain the layout planning, materials used, and highlight the most important and interesting features of the design. You can also download the PDF ebook, all of this on buildofy.com.